Understanding cylinder head porting and the role of carbide burr tools. Cylinder head porting is a critical process in engine modification and performance tuning, particularly for internal combustion engines in automotive, motorcycle, or even aviation applications. It involves the careful reshaping and refinement of the internal pathways within the cylinder head to optimize the flow of air and fuel into the combustion chamber, ultimately enhancing engine efficiency, power output, and throttle response. At the heart of this process are specialized tools like carbide burr tools, which serve as the precision instruments for achieving these modifications. Below, I'll explain in depth and detail the purpose of using carbide burr tools for cylinder head porting, breaking it down step by step, including the mechanics, benefits, techniques, and why these tools are indispensable for professional and DIY enthusiasts alike. The fundamentals of cylinder head porting, why it matters. Before diving into the tools, it's essential to understand the core objective of porting. The cylinder head houses the intake and exhaust ports, valve seats, valve pockets, and combustion chambers, key components that dictate how efficiently an engine breathes. In a stock engine, these areas are often designed for a balance of emissions compliance, fuel economy, and broad power delivery, but they can introduce restrictions that limit high RPM performance. Porting improves airflow by enlarging, reshaping, or smoothing the intake and exhaust ports, valve pockets, and combustion chambers. The goal is to reduce restrictions, improve air velocity, and enhance the air-fuel mixture's flow into the combustion chamber. Here's a deeper look at how this works. Reducing restrictions. Stock ports often have sharp edges, uneven surfaces, or overly conservative shapes that create turbulence and backpressure. By enlarging the ports, typically by 5 to 20% depending on the engine, you minimize these bottlenecks. For intake ports, this allows more air to enter. For exhaust ports, it facilitates quicker expulsion of spent gases. However, enlargement isn't just about size, it's about strategic widening to avoid reducing velocity, which could lead to poor low-end torque. Improving air velocity. Velocity is the speed at which air moves through the ports, which is crucial for creating a ram effect that helps fill the combustion chamber more completely. Reshaping involves blending curves, shortening port lengths slightly, or creating a Venturi effect, a narrowing followed by widening, to accelerate airflow. Smoothing surfaces with fine abrasives eliminates roughness that causes drag, potentially increasing velocity by 10 to 30% in well-ported heads. Enhancing air-fuel mixture flow. In modern engines, porting ensures a more homogeneous mixture by promoting laminar, smooth, flow over turbulent flow. This reduces pockets of unmixed air or fuel, leading to better combustion efficiency, higher power, often 10-50 plus horsepower gains, and improved fuel economy in tuned setups. For example, in a high-performance V8 engine, porting can shift the power band upward, making it ideal for racing, while in a daily driver, it might focus on mid-range torque. Without proper porting, engines suffer from restricted breathing, leading to detonation, overheating, or power loss. Flow bench testing, measuring CFM, cubic feet per minute of air, before and after porting quantifies improvements, often showing 20 to 50% better flow rates. What are carbide burr tools? Carbide burr tools, also known as carbide rotary burrs or carbide cutters, are high-precision cutting instruments made from tungsten carbide, a superhard alloy of tungsten and carbon. They are mounted on rotary tools like die grinders, air tools, or even Dremel-style devices, spinning at high speeds, typically 10,000 to 30,000 RPM, to remove material from metal surfaces. Unlike softer steel or high-speed steel, HSS, bits, carbide burrs are exceptionally durable, heat-resistant, and capable of maintaining sharp edges even under prolonged use on tough materials. These tools come in a variety of shapes and sizes tailored for porting. Cylindrical burrs, for straight line enlarging and rough material removal. Ball-nosed or spherical burrs, for rounding corners, blending radii, and smoothing curved port sections. Tapered or cone-shaped burrs, for creating Venturi effects or accessing narrow areas like valve pockets. Flame or tree-shaped burrs, ideal for intricate reshaping of port walls and combustion chambers. Double cut versus single cut. Double cut burrs, with crisscrossing teeth, are aggressive for fast stock removal but leave a rougher finish. Single cut are finer for smoothing. The burr refers to their toothed, burr-like cutting edges, which allow for aggressive yet controlled material removal. The specific purpose of carbide burr tools and cylinder head porting. Carbide burr tools are purpose-built for the demanding task of porting because cylinder heads are typically made from hard metals like cast iron, aluminum alloys, or even exotic materials in high-end engines. These metals resist wear but require tools that can handle high heat, vibration, and precision without dulling quickly. Here's an in-depth breakdown of their role. Material removal and enlarging ports. The primary purpose is efficient, controlled stock removal. Using a carbide burr, technicians can grind away excess material from the port walls to increase cross-sectional area. For instance, in an intake port, a cylindrical burr might be used to widen the straight sections, while a tapered burr handles the bowl area near the valve. This process reduces restrictions by creating smoother, larger pathways. Carbide's hardness, up to 90 HRA on the Rockwell scale, allows it to cut through cast iron without excessive force, preventing cracking or warping the head. Detail: burrs operate by shearing material in small chips, which evacuates easily, reducing clogging. This is crucial in confined spaces like ports, where debris buildup could damage the head. Reshaping for optimal flow dynamics. Reshaping involves altering the port's geometry to promote better airflow patterns. Carbide burrs excel here due to their versatility. A ball-nosed burr can create smooth radii at port entrances to eliminate steps or ledges that disrupt flow. In valve pockets, the recessed areas around valves, burrs are used to deepen or widen for larger valves, improving swirl and tumble, rotational air motion that mixes fuel better. In combustion chambers, burrs smooth the dome or quench areas, reducing hot spots and improving flame propagation. The goal is a short turn radius design, where air makes fewer sharp turns, boosting velocity. Carbide's precision, cuts as fine as 0.010 inches, ensures shapes match CFD, computational fluid dynamics, simulations or flow bench data, avoiding overporting that could kill low-speed performance. Smoothing surfaces for reduced turbulence. Smoothing is the finesse stage, where rough surfaces from initial cutting are polished. Carbide burrs, especially finer single-cut ones, remove burrs and imperfections, creating a mirror-like finish that minimizes boundary layer drag. This enhances air velocity by reducing friction. Studies show smooth ports can increase flow by 15 to 25% over rough ones. Advanced technique: back-cutting valve seats with a specialized burr improves seat angles, e.g., 30-45-60 degree multi-angle seats, ensuring a better seal and flow around the valve when open. Carbide's heat resistance prevents glazing or embedding particles into the soft valve seats. Overall performance goals achieved. By addressing restrictions, velocity, and mixture flow, carbide burr porting can yield measurable gains: better volumetric efficiency, how much air fills the chamber, reduced pumping losses, energy wasted pushing air through restrictions, and optimized air-fuel ratios for cleaner combustion. In turbo or supercharged engines, this is even more vital to handle boosted pressures without choking. Advantages of carbide burr tools over alternatives. Durability and longevity. Steel bits dull quickly on hard metals, requiring frequent changes. Carbide lasts 10-20x longer, reducing downtime and costs. Precision and